just started working on this, probably about 20 minutes or so. Bedside, a lot of smile. Here's the after, not 100%, but pretty good for having brushed against a tree. These are the hammers that I used. I started with this one, the Daniel Grom hammer from Carbon Tech. Thank you, Todd, for hooking me up with those. That really moved a lot of metal. This one was good for kind of finishing. I used the crown jewel tip on my Drew's hammer. I got all 4 of these. It's a hard rubber and it's really good for kind of finishing. And then finally, for finishing it out, at the end there, I used my Willie Quick hammer with the knocker from Edgy Tools.